Question number 1 is, what are the main modes of transportation in India? Answer to question number 1 is, the main modes of transportation in India are roads, railways, airways, waterways and pipelines. Question number 2 is, why are roads considered the most important mode of transportation? Answer to question number 2 is, roads are considered the most important because they provide door-to-door service, are flexible and can be constructed in difficult terrains. Question number 3 is, what is the significance of the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways? Answer to question number 3 is, the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways connect Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, reducing travel time and facilitating the movement of goods and people. Question number 4 is, what is the role of national highways in India? Answer to question number 4 is, national highways connect major cities, ports and capital of states, facilitating long distance travel and trade. Question number 5 is, how are state highways different from national highways? Answer to question number 5 is, state highways connect the state capitals with district headquarters and other important towns within the state, whereas national highways connect major cities and regions across the country. Question 6 is, what are district roads? Answer to question number 6 is, district roads connect the district headquarters with other places in the district and play a crucial role in rural development. Question number 7 is, what is the importance of rural roads? Answer to question number 7 is, rural roads connect villages with towns, improving access to markets, healthcare and education for rural students. Question number 8 is, what are border roads and their significance? Answer to question number 8 is, border roads are constructed along the borders of the country to facilitate the movement of defense personnel and supplies, enhancing national security. Question number 9 is, what are the advantages of railways in India? Answer to question number 9 is, railways are economical for long distance travel and freight, can carry large volumes of goods and passengers, and are environmentally friendly. Question number 10 is, what is the role of the Konkan Railway? Answer to question number 10 is, the Konkan Railway connects Mumbai and Mangalore, reducing travel time and facilitating the movement of goods and people along the western coast. Question number 11 is, how do pipelines contribute to the national economy? Answer to question number 11 is, pipelines transport oil, gas and other liquids efficiently, reducing the load on rail and road networks and minimizing environmental risks. Question number 12 is, what are the three major pipeline networks in India? Answer to question number 12 is, the three major pipeline networks are Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur, which is known as HVJ pipeline, the Mumbai Highway Bijapur Ankleshwar MBA pipeline, and the Jamnagar Loni LPG pipeline. Question number 13 is, what are the advantages of waterways? Answer to question number 13 is, waterways are cost effective, environmentally friendly and suitable for transporting bulky goods over long distances. Question number 14 is, what are the national waterways in India? Answer to question number 14 is, national waterways in India include National Waterways 1, Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly, National Waterways 2, Brahmaputra, and National Waterways 3, West Coast Canal. Question number 15 is, what is the significance of air transport in India? Answer to question number 15 is, air transport is important for its speed, efficiency in covering difficult terrains, and connecting remote areas with the rest of the country. Question number 16 is, what are the major international airports in India? Answer to question number 16 is, major international airports include Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai, and Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru. Question number 17 is, what are the major ports in India? Answer to question number 17 is, major ports include Mumbai, Kandla, Chennai, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam and Kochi. Question number 18 is, what is the role of ports in the national economy? Answer to question number 18 is, ports facilitate international trade, import and exports of goods and contribute to the growth of maritime industries. Question number 19 is, what are the main challenges faced by Indian Railways? Answer to question number 19 is, challenges include outdated infrastructure, overcrowding, safety concerns and financial constraints. Question number 20 is, how is the government addressing the challenges in the transport sector? Answer to question number 20 is, the government is investing in infrastructure development, modernization of railways, construction of highways and promoting public-private partnerships. Question number 21 is, what is the role of the Indian Railways in tourism? Answer to question number 21 is, Indian Railways plays a crucial role in promoting tourism by connecting various tourist destinations and offering special tourist trains. Question number 22 is, how do transport networks contribute to the economic development of a country? Answer to question number 22 is, transport networks facilitate the movement of goods and people, reduce travel time, lower transportation costs and promote trade and commerce. Question number 23 is, what is the significance of the Suez Canal for India? Answer to question number 3 is, the Suez Canal is a crucial maritime route for India's trade with Europe and North America, reducing travel time and shipping costs. Question number 24 is, how do transport networks impact regional development? Answer to question number 24 is, transport networks promote regional development by improving connectivity, encouraging investment and creating job opportunities. Question number 25 is, what are the environmental concerns associated with road transport? Answer to question number 25 is, environmental concerns include air pollution, noise pollution, deforestation and habitat destruction due to road construction. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.